The first thing I want to show is how you can use Rick to do ride-alongs hands-free. And I'm so excited because coaches can finally multitask. Okay, let's jump in. Hey Rick, give me a summary of this conversation.
Sure, Robert talked about the customer's high utility bill and suggested dampers to balance the HVAC system. He recommended an American standard system with a multi-speed air handler. The total cost of $16,580 surprised the customer, who was expecting $8,000 to $10,000. Robert provided financing options, but the customer said he needed time to think. The call ended with Robert saying that his boss might be able to offer better solutions.
Hey Rick, take me to that part of the conversation.
I'm gonna have to give this some thought, man. That's a lot of money. I gotta think about how I'm gonna get it. I see it.
Hey Rick, did Robert actually do a good job in delivering value in this conversation? I know that he talked about financing, but did he actually go through with the homeowner and combine it with the monthly savings from their utility bills?
Robert did a good job of building value throughout the appointment, mentioning 5-star reviews, industry-leading guarantees, and manufacturer-trained technicians. He did not walk the homeowner through an ROI calculation on how a financing plan combined with the monthly utility bill savings could make this system an easier purchase.
Okay, hey Rick, leave a comment. Hey Robert, really great job in delivering value throughout. I know you talked about the guarantees and the reviews, like how we had talked about last week. So awesome job in following through. One tactic when it comes to handling price objection is to really remember to use that ROI calculation worksheet. You have it in your folder, so just remember to pull it out and walk through it with the homeowner and go through their utility bills and the monthly pricing with financing. And that way they can understand their net financial impact and the value that we're bringing onto the table. Other than that, awesome job, man, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey Rick, end ride along.